The medicinal properties of cannabis are increasingly recognized in the market, particularly when integrated with Ayurvedic medicine. Research indicates that cannabis has significant anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects, making it a valuable asset in holistic treatments. Integrating cannabis with Ayurvedic practices allows for personalized medicine that combines ancient wisdom with contemporary science. The synergy of cannabis and Ayurveda promotes overall wellness, enhancing mental clarity and physical health in a natural manner. As the demand for natural remedies grows, the fusion of cannabis with Ayurvedic medicine is shaping the future of holistic health solutions. This innovative combination not only addresses chronic ailments, but also fosters a deeper understanding of the body's natural healing processes. The culinary and therapeutic applications of cannabis in Ayurveda are enriching lives, offering delicious ways to promote health and well-being. The emergence of cannabis-infused teas and tonics reflects a growing trend towards more natural and holistic approaches to health. The increasing acceptance of cannabis as a therapeutic agent within Ayurvedic frameworks is transforming both market dynamics and personal wellness journeys. By marrying ancient practices with modern insights, the integration of cannabis into Ayurvedic medicine offers profound benefits for mental and physical health. Scientific studies are increasingly validating the effectiveness of cannabis within Ayurvedic frameworks, paving the way for evidence-based treatments. Educating the public about the therapeutic potential of cannabis in Ayurveda is essential for fostering acceptance and understanding within communities. Personalized treatment plans that include cannabis alongside Ayurvedic medicines are becoming increasingly popular, catering to individual health needs. Practical workshops are empowering individuals to take charge of their health by learning how to seamlessly incorporate cannabis and Ayurveda into their routines. Wellness expos are becoming platforms for educating consumers about the synergistic benefits of combining cannabis and Ayurvedic practices. The aesthetic appeal of cannabis and Ayurvedic products is drawing more attention, encouraging mindful consumption through beautiful design and holistic benefits. Hands-on experiences allow individuals to explore the cultivation and culinary uses of cannabis alongside traditional Ayurvedic practices, fostering a deeper connection to their health. Community gatherings play an essential role in spreading awareness about the holistic integration of cannabis and Ayurvedic medicine, promoting a collective journey towards wellness. Interdisciplinary collaboration among health practitioners is crucial for advancing the understanding and implementation of cannabis in Ayurvedic medicine. Access to educational resources fosters informed discussions about the role of cannabis in Ayurvedic practices, empowering individuals to make knowledgeable health choices. Culinary demonstrations highlight the versatility of cannabis in enhancing Ayurvedic cuisine, engaging communities through food and health. Sustainable farming practices around cannabis and Ayurveda contribute to environmental health, supporting local economies and healthier communities. Local festivals celebrating cannabis and Ayurveda not only promote wellness but also foster community connections through shared experiences. Holistic consultations are evolving to incorporate cannabis as a key component, highlighting its relevance in modern Ayurvedic treatments. Innovative product development in the cannabis and Ayurveda sector is paving the way for new therapeutic options aimed at enhancing quality of life. Community initiatives that encourage the cultivation and consumption of cannabis within the framework of Ayurveda promote wellness and social connections. Health fairs provide valuable opportunities for individuals to learn about the therapeutic potential of cannabis within Ayurvedic frameworks, fostering informed choices. Wellness workshops that blend education with experiential learning create memorable connections between cannabis and Ayurvedic practices. Art and community spaces are embracing the themes of cannabis and Ayurveda, promoting wellness through creativity and shared experiences. Retreats focused on cannabis and Ayurveda foster deep connections to nature and self, encouraging holistic healing in peaceful environments. Podcasts and community gatherings serve as essential platforms for sharing knowledge about the integration of cannabis into Ayurvedic medicine. Educating youth about the compassionate use of cannabis in Ayurveda can cultivate a new generation of informed health advocates. Local markets and yoga studios are beginning to embrace the healing properties of cannabis and Ayurveda, creating spaces for community wellness. Culinary creativity and educational resources are crucial to understanding the unique benefits of integrating cannabis into traditional Ayurvedic practices. Street fairs provide an excellent opportunity for culinary innovation and education about the therapeutic uses of cannabis in Ayurveda. Public seminars create an enriching environment for dialogue about the evolving science behind cannabis and Ayurveda, fostering community engagement. Workshops that combine hands-on learning with holistic practices provide a unique opportunity for personal growth and understanding of wellness.